situation's fluid. We certainly have a number of fires burning across most of the country. At this point, as far as we know, none of them are close to or within major urban centers, which factors into our analysis. And so, like you said, this is an ongoing situation, but at this point in time, we at DBRS Morningstar believe that Q2 2023 results will likely come under pressure for Canadian insurers, but that this is still very much a manageable event and therefore just an earnings event.
Nadja, Canada's highest insured loss on record was back in 2016, wasn't it? And in the oil sands patch, Fort McMurray fire, almost 6 billion Canadian dollars. Is the final tally from this event looking like it could match what we saw 7 years ago, or is it going to be markedly lower?
We believe that it would be materially lower at this point. As you mentioned, 2016 wildfires in the northern part of Alberta were the highest on record. And yes, those were very, very high losses. You mentioned 6 billion. So on average, insurers in the last few years will pay in around $2 billion a year in claims losses or insured losses. So that's sort of the average. We think this event is certainly nowhere near what we saw with Fort McMurray in Alberta back in 2016.
We heard Contessa's report there talking about the California context, and there's a concerning situation that reinsurers have begun to limit how much catastrophe coverage they offer to insurers. That lack of supply means that insurers will have to pay more. They'll have to pass that on to the customers. Is Canada's insurance industry facing a similarly perilous situation?
Yeah, the situation, I would say, was very well captured. These are global trends in terms of higher reinsurance costs. And what that means for insurers is, in some cases, they're going to purchase less reinsurance than in the past. They're going to increase their net retention of risk. And that ultimately means that their earnings might become more volatile as they fully take on the risk as opposed to reinsure some of it. So those are certainly the trends we're seeing. Reinsurance cost is a big part of the news of what's been happening in 2023 because of the very steep increase in the price.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.